Hello out there, and welcome to Beauty and Life's Issues Solution channel here on YouTube. My name is Andy Washington and I'm here on behalf of Amos Armstrong Ghibli, who is the founder and CEO of this great channel. Stay tuned, don't go away, I'll be right back. Welcome back. Well, I'm really excited to come your way today, because I bring you good tidings about rice water. Have you ever heard that rice water cleanses your skin from wrinkles, pimples, eczema, chickenpox, birthmarks, stretch marks and many other skin diseases, within the period of 5 to 10 days when you rub it on your skin daily? Well, don't go away, because in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to use rice water as an organic beauty cream that will make you look 5 times younger than your present age. Stay tuned, I will be right back. Welcome back. Now let's get started with the steps on how to prepare rice water as an organic body cream for your skin. Step 1. Get a bowl of raw rice, add some water in the bowl of rice and wash it thoroughly until it is clean. Step 2. Put the washed rice with water into a pot, set it on the fire and boil it for 15 to 20 minutes, until the rice water turns white. Step 3. Remove the pot of rice from the fire and drain the whitish rice water into a bowl, leave it in the bowl until it gets cold. Step 4. Transfer the whitish rice water into a jar or a plastic container and keep in your refrigerator for a day. Step 5. Use the rice water as your body cream daily, after you have your bath. Step 6. Throw the rice water away, after every 5 days and repeat the entire preparation process from step 1. Do this for as long as you can. Thanks for watching this video. I can assure you, if you can implement this rice water application process correctly, you will surely have an amazing result. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to all your friends and loved ones. Bye.